Yo, what is up guys? It's Nick back with another video, and today we are going to be surprising my dad with a pair of Boost that I got from Adidas.com on the NCAA discount code. It happened last week. Adidas really messed up. They were giving everyone the NCAA discount code. But first, before I give it to him, I'm going to be getting into the shoe, doing a closer look, and then I'm going to surprise him with him at his house later. So, without any further ado, we're going to move over to the unboxing table and let's get into it. Alright guys, so we got the box right here. We are at the unboxing table, so let's go ahead and crack open this bad boy. Go across the top, across, there, and now these are a pretty cool shoe. He's a big Kentucky Wildcat fan, my dad is, so this is a blue and white colorway, and I was debating between these cream colored ones and this color. I'll put the creams up on the screen, but I was debating between these and asked a couple family members and they said the blue. So here we go, we got the regular just NMD box. I'm going to go ahead and take that out of here. Put this box off to the side. Alright, so normal 3-strap branding all the way across. We got the trifold right here, along with Adidas Originals on this side. We did get a 10.5 in this shoe because he is a 10.5. Let's go ahead and just open it up. Alright, so we greeted with some Adidas papering, and here we go. We got the 9/91/17 EQT Boost. So he will be officially boosted after this day is over. And I'm going to get both these shoes out real quick, just show them to you all, and then after this I will go surprise him with his gift.
A few moments later.
Oh, God.
You see that?
What? What is that? What is it? Did you open this up? Did you open it?
Oh, it was like that.
Well, it's like somebody already opened it. Oh, God. Oh. What are they? A pair of shoes? You ordered you a pair of shoes?
No,
Oh.
I didn't get anything.
Oh, you ordered those shoes for me?
No?
Why'd you spend money on these shoes, you shithead?
Just cause.
Those are pretty awesome. Let's get a dash.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
What's that?
Okay guys, right now it's the next day. I didn't get to film the outro last night just because I spent time with the family, and he loved the shoes, which is a great thing. If you guys stuck to the end of the video, you guys are the real ones. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button, and thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.